Okay, so we've been talking about building up handles with using pipe insulation and some self-adhesive tape. This happens to be from Jointhera. But let's talk about using this tape on something just to add grip or texture to it. So this is some concealer makeup. So what you would do, I'm going to use some of the pieces that, extra pieces. That's a nice thing about self-adhesive tape is that you can reuse it. So I'm going to take this and put a little around the bottom here. I'll wrap it up like that. And then take another piece and put it on the lid. So that way I can actually have it, I can hold on to it to get the lid off and then also to apply the makeup. So just wrap it on around. And sometimes, like some containers like this one in particular is kind of slick. So it's nice to have added texture to it. So then you've got it wrapped up here. And then it just twists off so easily with hardly any effort at all. And then again, just put it back together.